What if I told you that your deepest thoughts aren't truly your own? What if your thoughts are subtly intertwined with every other mind on the planet, instantly connected across impossible distances? Today we're diving into the concept of quantum entanglement of consciousness. We'll confront this question. Is your consciousness part of a vast, unseen network? Get ready, because you're about to question everything you thought you knew about the boundaries of your mind. Prepare to question everything you thought you knew about your own mind. The possibility that consciousness might exhibit quantum entanglement means your thoughts could instantly influence someone on the other side of the globe. We're about to confront the scientific plausibility of a truly interconnected human mind, and the implications are absolutely staggering. This isn't just science fiction. This is about applying one of quantum mechanics' strangest features to your consciousness. Could what Einstein called spooky action at a distance actually be how our minds operate? Have you ever felt an inexplicable connection to someone far away? A sense that you know what they're thinking before they even speak? What if that's not just intuition, but a subtle manifestation of quantum entanglement between our minds? We're exploring the cutting-edge science behind non-local consciousness, and this might just change how you perceive your own subjective reality. Perhaps what we call telepathy is actually information transfer happening at the quantum level. Perhaps the deep connection we feel with loved ones is a real connection at the molecular level. To understand quantum entanglement, let's first explain what it means at the particle level. When two particles become entangled, the state of one instantly affects the other, regardless of the distance between them. Einstein called this spooky action at a distance because it challenged relativity theory, which says nothing in the universe can travel faster than light. But the experimental results are consistent. Quantum entanglement is real. Now we're making the radical leap, applying this mind-bending concept to human consciousness. Is our subjective experience truly isolated, or is it part of something greater? Could our consciousness be a node in a universal quantum network? Exploring consciousness beyond the brain means going beyond current theories and their limitations. We're diving into Nobel Prize-winning physicist Roger Penrose and anesthesiologist Stuart Hameroff's orchestrated objective reduction theory, or ORC-OR. This revolutionary theory proposes that consciousness emerges through quantum entanglement in microtubules, microscopic structures inside our cells. Microtubules are protein tunnels inside our neurons, and according to Penrose and Hameroff, these tunnels might operate like quantum computers. Imagine how our neural networks could theoretically leverage quantum phenomena for faster, non-local processing. This means our brain isn't just a classical computer, but a quantum supercomputer. Could quantum entanglement be the underlying mechanism behind anecdotal synchronicity and collective consciousness phenomena? The meaningful coincidences Jung described might actually be manifestations of quantumly connected minds. We're examining cutting-edge research in parapsychology and meta-analyses of studies hinting at distant mental interaction effects. Princeton University's PAIR Laboratory, Princeton Engineering Anomalies Research, conducted experiments for years showing that human consciousness could influence random number generators. The Global Consciousness Project documented statistical deviations in random number generators during significant worldwide events. But we must be honest. There are challenges of empirical measurement and current scientific hurdles in proving consciousness entanglement. Because the act of measurement disturbs quantum states, measuring consciousness might change it. Let's assume our thoughts are truly connected. Let's explore the profound philosophical and societal ramifications. Potential applications are limitless, from enhancing empathy to collective problem solving, from shared awareness to new forms of communication. During a crisis, could the consciousness of millions truly synchronize? Our creative breakthroughs, when multiple people arrive at the same idea simultaneously, actually quote downloads from a quantum consciousness network? But we must also address the ethical considerations of a truly interconnected mind. What about privacy? If our thoughts are truly entangled, is mental privacy possible? Issues of influence and identity. Can someone influence your thoughts? Who is the self if our minds are inextricably connected? These questions aren't just philosophical, they're potentially of practical importance. We're now moving beyond the individual. How does this idea challenge our perception of self and separation? Perhaps your view of yourself as a separate entity is an illusion. Perhaps we're all different expressions of universal consciousness, waves in the same quantum ocean. I want you to explore your own experiences of intuition, shared feelings, and unexplainable connections. What do you feel in those moments? When you reach for the phone to call a loved one, are they reaching out to you too? Those moments when you know exactly what a friend is about to say? Are these coincidences or signs of a deeper reality? I'm calling you to stay curious, question current paradigms, and contribute to the evolving understanding of consciousness. Perhaps the next great scientific breakthrough will come from right here, from the collective power of our quantumly entangled minds. Remember, the universe isn't just out there. It exists right within you, in every thought, in every moment of consciousness.